What if all Muslim countries united? One Ummah, one flag. One army, one voice today. We are more than 2 billion strong, spread across over 50 nations, different languages, different lands. But one belief right now. We are divided politically, economically and militarily, but if we stood together, the world would look very different. Imagine the combined military strength, over 3 million active soldiers, elite special forces, drones, tanks, and fighter jets, nuclear weapons from Pakistan, advanced defense systems from Turkey, naval power from Egypt and Indonesia. No country in the world would dare to challenge the Ummah, a united defense, not to invade, but to protect, to defend Muslims. Everywhere, from Gaza to Kashmir, from the oppressed to the forgotten. Now think of our resources. We hold some of the richest oil and gas reserves in the world: Saudi Arabia, Iran, Iraq, Qatar, Algeria, and more, enough to control global energy prices. We have agriculture, minerals, technology, water, and manpower. Together, we could feed ourselves, fuel ourselves, and grow stronger every year. And imagine our trade power. The Muslim world sits at the crossroads of the world: the Red Sea, the Arabian Sea, the Suez Canal, the Bosphorus, the Strait of Hormuz. We hold the gates of the world economically. We could build a common market, a shared currency backed by gold, a financial system without interest, without exploitation, a system built on justice, not profit, above people. Now picture our knowledge and innovation: Turkey, Malaysia, UAE, Egypt. We have scientists, engineers, doctors, thinkers. We could invest in our youth, our schools, our future. A united Ummah could lead in education, AI, clean energy, medicine. We could build universities that lead the world again, like we did in the golden age of Islam. Truly, our unity would inspire the youth. Muslim children would grow up with pride, knowing their identity, history, and faith is something to honor. And above all, we would be able to speak with one voice on global issues, on justice, on Palestine, on Uyghurs, on Syria, on Sudan. No more silence, no more begging. We would stand with dignity as one nation, one people, one Ummah. But right now, we are broken, split into nations, flags, and passports, ruled by leaders who care more about power than unity, divided by colonial borders. We didn't create, so why haven't we united yet? Because unity needs sacrifice, it needs real leadership. It needs us to stop thinking like Egyptians, Pakistanis, Turks, Indonesians, and start thinking like Muslims. The Quran says, "Indeed, this Ummah of yours is one Ummah, and I am your Lord, so fear me." Allah already told us we are one. It's not a dream. It's our destiny if we choose it. The world fears a united Muslim Ummah because it would mean strength, but we shouldn't fear our power. We should fear losing it. So now, the question is, will we stay divided, or will we rise together? The future is in our hands.